Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase the wrong fix. Open Settings, go to System, then Display, look at Scale and Resolution. If the scale is above 100%, reduce it to 100%. That often restores expected size. Also, make sure the monitor's own zoom or aspect controls are set normally and that the video cable is secure. Once done, give Windows 10-15 seconds to redraw the desktop. You'll see if text and icons return to normal. Now you handle the tricky middle steps. Set the display resolution to the monitor's native value because wrong resolution forces zoomed or stretched output. If you change scaling, switch it back to 100% and avoid fractional custom values. They often enlarge UI unexpectedly. If apps still look odd, sign out of your account and sign back in. Windows applies scaling per session. Make sure graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can misreport DPI and cause persistent zoom. Finish by updating or reinstalling your graphics driver because driver issues often manifest as weird zoom. Open Device Manager, right-click your display adapter, and choose Update Driver. Restart when prompted. For app-specific zoom, use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+0 resets many apps, while Ctrl with plus or minus fine-tunes. If nothing helps, restore to a recent system point you created before the issue. That recovers system-level settings. Troubleshooting tip. If display remains zoomed, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.